In this video, I will tell you how to buy and sell Bitcoin on Bitbuy. So first, what you need to do is open up your web browser and go to the Bitbuy website by typing bitbuy.com in the search bar. Once the page loads, make sure you are logged into your account. After logging in, look at the top menu and click on the option called Express Trade. This will take you to the Express Trade page. Now to buy Bitcoin, click on the Buy option. Make sure Bitcoin is selected. If Bitcoin is not already selected, click on the drop-down menu and choose Bitcoin from the list. You will then see your available balance. You can either use the full available amount or manually enter the amount you want to spend. After entering the amount, click on Buy Bitcoin. Next, a confirmation page will appear showing the transaction details. Review the information carefully, then confirm the purchase to complete the order. Once done, you will be taken to your orders or transaction history page. And that is how you buy Bitcoin on Bitbuy. Now to sell Bitcoin, go back to the Express Trade page. This time, click on the Sell option instead of Buy. Select Bitcoin from the list, then choose how much Bitcoin you want to sell by using the available amount or entering a custom amount. After that, click on Sell Bitcoin. A transaction summary will appear on the screen. Check all the details and confirm the sale. Once confirmed, the Bitcoin will be sold successfully. That's how you buy and sell Bitcoin on Bitbuy. Thanks for watching. If this helped, like and subscribe.